Alright guys, this is the how-to video, and this is aimed at Ubuntu or Kubuntu or any users that work at the command line using sudo. And a big problem I found, a big complaint I found amongst Linux users is the fact that they find incredibly taxing, a very tough time or impossible to get YouTube or any Flash or Java enabled pages to load. And some of them have actually switched back to Windows or gone to Mac just because of that one thing, because they need their Facebook or what have you. I'm going to show you in this video how to enable Java and get your Adobe back, and how to get it all working and break it all down for you. I've done myself. I've had a lot of time to figure this out myself, and I can show you how to fix broken packages so you can get this thing to work. Anyways, I'll dive into it now. I'm using Ubuntu 9.04. At my desktop, go to Applications, go to Accessories, select Terminal. If you cannot read what I am typing, I will put this all out for you in the description box and the comment page, and I will briefly describe what they do. And these are your basic command lines which you will need. A small handful of commands. There are a ton out there, but these are the essentials that you can use yourself and basically do it yourself and save yourself a lot of headache, a lot of reinstalls. Anyways, we'll dive into it. Rampage is the name I've given the PC. Arch Nemesis is just like a domain for the actual system itself. Anyways, we're going to check for updates. So, get your sudo. Let's see if I can get you going here. apt-get update. Now I shortened the password just for the purpose of this video. Okay, that's update sudo apt-get upgrade. See that? Linux generic headers. That's what you want to see. Of course. But for the purpose of this video, that's what you normally would select. Yes. For me, no. I don't know how long that would take. So, I don't feel like updating my system. Another thing is, some people, they feel they have to update their system all the time. You do not. That's your option, but I recommend against it because some updates will actually break your OS if you update on a frequent basis. Allow your system to be updated for security patches. Anyways, here's another line you'll want to know. Sudo apt-get autoclean. Sudo apt-get clean. Now, if you have a broken package when you're updating Java, that's when you'll find out, because it will, we use the graphical interface for Kubuntu, it will stop halfway and won't let you proceed. It'll say something broken package. So this will fix your broken packages. Sudo dpkg -- configure space -a. Got it. Now, if you have some truly messed up packages and repositories that are damaged or whatnot, some system-wide corruptions, this will clean it up. It is sudo apt-get autoremove. Of course, say no. And sudo apt-get remove. And you see what I'm doing, right? Okay. And that would be your session. So you can close off out of here. If you cannot finish your terminal session successfully with that, I recommend a reboot or two. Now, we'll go over here to System. Administration and software sources. If you cannot get these updates, you'll want to go to this part of your OS. Now the tab automatically by default is selected as Ubuntu software. And what's critical is just make sure these are all checked here. You'll want those. I leave this alone because that's how it came out of the box, like that. Now I'm in Canada, North America, so it says server for US. So it's working for me because I'm allowed to get my updates as you saw in the terminal session. Now if you cannot, you'll want to change this by selecting your arrow and going in and selecting the next best server. Yeah, let's see. Update Manager is saying we've got some updates here for you. But for the purpose of the video, I'm trying to keep it short. I can do this another time. Anyways, you got third-party software back over here. Updates. We can close this. Now, last but not least, if you're looking there we go. Now you just type in a wild search here, let's say Adobe. And look what comes up. Adobe Flash Player 10. And go down the list. Now you're welcome to pause the video and select any of the applications that I have, because that will make it work for you. This is my main machine here. Type in Java and look what comes up. And don't forget, the search field selected is all. Let's just narrow that down. For our purposes, it's internet, right? So there you go. Sun Java 6, runtime. All these are all selected. So I hope this has been helpful, and let me know how this works out for you. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.